Bawag na. Hello? Hello? Hello po? 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 Pinatay. Binaba yung tawag. May gusto mang-scam sa Gcash. O, tingnan mo. Ulitin niya yan. Okay, how much do you have to register? Ayan yung chat niya. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayan. Tinatanong niya ako, how much do you have to register? So, scammer to eh. Scammer alert. Okay? So, wait lang ulitin. Ano ko, ano yun natin yung sakyan natin to. Sakyan natin. Okay? Tinatanong niya kung magkano yung how much do you have to register? Wait lang, sana ko lang yung pinto. Ito na, tumawag ulit ito. Ano? Hello? Hello?
To register.
Paano po?
Hello.
Hello?
I can hear you. I can hear you. Do you want to register?
Yeah, English. No English.
Okay. I'm not good at Tagalog. I'm good at English, okay?
No English.
No Tagalog.
Only Tagalog, Bisaya only, please. I have no money. I need money.
Okay, I will help you. How much do you have there so I can earn? You have more income immediately after the 24 hours. You send me a Gcash and I send your income after you register with you.
What?
How much do you have so you can earn after 24 hours you receive your income?
I have 1,500 Gcash.
Okay, let me send the Gcash details and you make a payment, then you receive your income, okay?
Give me money?
How much do you have to register?
Ano? No English. No English. Only Tagalog, Bisaya.
I'm not good at Tagalog.
You Philippines?
No.
Saan galing ikaw? Taga saan ka? Where you from?
I'm from Milano.
Where?
Milano.
Milano? Where Milano?
Yes.
Where?
In the city, Philippine City.
Philippine City, Milano.
Yes.
No Milano,
Okay, how much do you have to register?
no Milano, Philippines.
How much? Yes.
No Milano, Philippines.
I'm in the city right now.
Where?
I'm in the class.
Where city?
I'm for Philippines. I'm for Philippines.
Yeah, camera, open. Why blurred? Wait. I can see you.
Yes.
See you me.
There is no network. No network. No network.
Yeah, I can see you. Open camera, please.
There is no network here. The camera cannot do because of the network. Okay.
Network. You city.
I can see you, but you can't see me.
Why? I need
I
money.
cannot see you.
I need money. Give me money.
I will help you. I will help you.
How will you help me? Give me. I need money now. I need money.
How much do you have to register? Then I help you.
I will buy big bike. I like big bike.
Okay, how much do you have?
Only 1,500 buy big bike.
have 500 pesos to register?
Yeah, 1,500. I need to money buy big bike.
You need to register before you have a 1,500 pesos, okay?
Where I register in school?
So be sincere, how much you have?
1,500.
Can you hear me?
How? Pinatay. Chinese. Chinese, kaya mag-iingat kayo ha. Oh. Mga Chinese yan, gumagamit ng ibang pangalan, okay? Ayan o. Ito yung account niya ha. Jason James ha. O, tingnan niyo yan ha. O. Jason James, pero lalaki yung babae yung nagsasalita, okay? So ito, tumatawag ulit ha. Okay, check natin ha. Wait lang. Tumatawag siya ulit to, tumatawag. Hello? What?
Hello,
Hello?
I can hear you.
Where, you can hear me? I can hear you.
Okay. You said you want 1,500 pesos, okay?
Yes.
So you need to earn to have 1,500 pesos, okay?
What? No English, please. No English, only Tagalog. Filipino.
I will speak with you in Tagalog with writing, then I translate it to you, okay?
Tagalog only, no English, please. No English. I cannot talk to you in English right now. Binabada na po. Eto, tingnan natin yung kanya profile ha. Pakita ko sa inyo yung profile niya. Mag-ingat kayo ha. Okay. So, profile na ito. So, ibablock natin to. Okay. So, ayan siya oh. Ayan yung profile niya, ingatan niya na. Matawag siya ulit ha. Okay. No!
Hello.
Yeah.
Your network is bad.
No, I cannot talk to you in English right now because I don't have English yet. So I need you to speak Tagalog, huh, right?
Okay.
So how can you speak Tagalog? You're in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
You have to speak Tagalog to me right now.
There is no network. There's no network in Tagalog.
No. You have to speak Tagalog to me, okay? Should... Okay, just open your camera and then I cannot see you. Why? Why you hide yourself? Can you please show yourself?
There's no network.
Oh, you don't need to yourself. You don't need to show up yourself. Why?
Look at, there is no network. I cannot even see you, sir.
No, you said you live in the city, right? What city in the Philippines do you live? Where?
I can hear you. Are you ready to end?
No, just speak Tagalog to me, okay? Do not English on me because my English is not ready, okay?
What are you speaking?
Tagalog.
What are you speaking?
Where country do you from? Are you from China or what? Your English is buggling, you know?
I don't know.
Oh, my English is better than you. Your English, I can't understand your English very well. So that's why I want you to speak Tagalog, okay?
I can't speak Tagalog.
Oh, you can speak Tagalog. Why do you ask my GCash account?
English.
Why?
I grew up with English.
Oh, you talk better in English. Okay, let's talk in English. So, why do you want to help me?
You said you need 1,500, okay?
I have money on GCash. I have 1,500 pesos. So what do you need to do on my GCash?
Okay, you can use the 1,500 pesos to make 30k pesos, okay? in any copy and paste system.
So what kind of business do you have? Is that a Carabao business
So
or monkey business?
I will help you. You can just send me that your 1,500 pesos, then you receive your income immediately, okay?
No. I don't know what you're talking about. What kind of registration do you need to do?
You said you have 1,500 pesos.
Yeah, I have 1,500 on my GCash. So what do you need to do on my GCash account?
Send it to me and you receive your income immediately after 24 hours.
No. You're trying to scam people, ha? Be careful, ha?
No, I'm not a scammer. Do not
Oh, if you're not a scammer, why don't you show up yourself?
I can send you proof, okay?
If you're not a scammer, why don't you show up yourself?
I will not scam you. I can send you proof.
No, you're not scamming me, but you're trying to scam people like me. Okay? Be careful because, you know. Oh, what do you want to say? Show up yourself.
I'm not a scammer.
Oh, no. Show up yourself if you're not scamming me, okay?
I'm not a scammer. I'm trying to help you.
No, you're trying to help me. In what way? To register any link do you have?
We are go to your Facebook Messenger and look at the proof that I sent you to show because I do my things with proof, okay?
No. Where the link do you want me to register?
You need to register
Where?
the withdrawal fees.
Where do you want me to register?
In your any of Israel income. That's why you need to register.
Oh. What should I do? To search that link or what?
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, I can hear you speak.
Oh, you speak like an African. Are you an African? Or what?
No.
Where are you from?
From Philippines.
You're not a Filipino, right? I know you're not a Filipino.
From Philippines.
You're not a Filipino.
Okay, look at.
You're not a Filipino. You're not a Filipino. Don't trying to scam Filipino people. Okay?
I'm not a scammer. Look at me. In the
Look
box.
at you.
Yes.
I cannot look at you because you don't show up yourself.
Because there is no network.
Oh, you no need to show. And why? Why you are hiding your identity? Why?
Okay, let me give the phone to my mom. Let her speak to you.
No, why you need to call your mom? Show up yourself and I will trust you.
Okay, just wait.
Ah,
Let me give the phone to my mom.
ibigay daw sa nanay.
Hello. Hello.
Huh. Who are you? Oh, pinatay oh. I will give it to my mom. Dalawa lang to ha. Ako ayoko magbintang but it's either a Chinese or African. Kasi yung punto ng pananalita niya, Chinese or African. Talagang promise. Okay, so wala kasing screen recording tong cellphone na to. Sayang lang eh, wala tayong screen recording eh. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung kanyang profile para aware kayo din. Okay, ito yung profile niya. Okay. So hindi siya Pilipino. Hindi siya Pilipino talaga yan. O research nyo na lang yung pangalan niya. I-search nyo na lang James, Jason James Domingo Olivares yan. Search nyo na lang yan. Search nyo na lang yan o yan. Search nyo. Ingat kayo dyan, ingat. Okay, so hindi ko alam. Baka isa kayo sa mano nito ha. Ingat kayo, ingat. Okay, so ibablock na natin yan. Okay, so yun lang, okay. Grabe to ha. Okay, saan na yun? Block na natin yan. Okay, block. Okay. So, pwede na natin itong i-report. Paano ba i-report? Okay, scam or fraud. Okay. Okay. Paano, pwede ba ito i-report yung ganito? Oh? Scam or fraud nakalagay? Okay, tingnan natin yung report yan. Like the money, someone offers you money to like their post or like upload. Okay, wag na, block na lang natin. Block na lang natin, okay? Block na lang, naka-block na naman. Okay. Kung ano-ano sinisend niya sa akin eh. Ano? Kung ano sinisend niya sa akin, may sinisend pa siyang ano. Gumagamit siya ng mga iba-ibang account na ano. Talagang ano eh. Ano? Magsisend siya ng mga picture na ganito. Magsisend siya ng video. Tapos, sinabi ko kung magkano ka. O, sagot mo ako, o, di ba? Tapos, puro sa English. Sabi ko, ayaw ko English, naaman ko Gcash. O, di ba? Parang translated yung translator yung ginagamit niya. So, okay lang. I-block na natin siya. Kaya, mag-ingat kayo ha. Ingat kayo, ingat. Talagang ano, malupit yan. Okay? So, katakot yan. So, okay. Let's go.